Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give short introduction on ANN based speed control of permanent magnet DC motor. Guys, if you want to download this file, then I will add link in description below. Here is the ANN model and here I am using permanent magnet DC motor. I am taking actual speed as feedback to calculate error. Okay, and this is the reference speed. I will set reference speed to 1500 RPM. Well, now I will run this model. You can see actual speed will be near to 1500 RPM. Now the speed is 1600 RPM. It is near to 1500 RPM. Now I will decrease speed. I will reduce reference speed. I will set it to 1200 RPM. Now you can see the speed will decrease. By the way guys, the simulation time is less, but in this MATLAB Simulink it will take time. Well guys, now you can see the speed is decreasing. I kept reference speed to near to 1200 rpm and the actual speed will be equal to 1200 rpm. It will come near to 1200 rpm. Well guys, we will wait for few seconds. And by the way, if you want to download this file, then I will add link in description below. You can go and download this file. ANN based speed control of permanent magnet DC motor. Now the speed is 1589 rpm. And time is 0.396 seconds. And in this scope you can see electromagnetic torque waveform and armature current waveform and speed waveform. By the way, I will open this scope at the end. First of all, we will see speed, how it will decrease. How much time it will take to decrease, you can see in this time. Well, now time is 0.556 seconds and RPM is 1537 RPM. And guys, this is PWM generator which will give pulse to MOSFET. Well guys, now speed, here you can see the speed is decreasing rapidly and it will come near to 1200 rpm and you can see time is 0.819 seconds. Well guys, now the speed is near to 1200 rpm. Okay, this was about ANN based speed control of permanent magnet DC motor. Thank you for watching this video and well guys, I will show waveforms. I will click on scope and you can see here speed waveform and armature current and electromagnetic torque. Before that, I will stop this simulation